Imagine this: you're in a rush to pay a friend back. You open your Zelle app, quickly enter the amount, and hit send. But wait, something's wrong. You just sent the money to the wrong person. Panic sets in. Is your money gone forever? Today, we're diving into that very question. Can you get Zelle back if you send it to the wrong person? Let's find out. What is Zelle? Before we get into the main topic, let's quickly recap what Zelle is. Zelle is a peer-to-peer payment service that allows you to send and receive money instantly using just your phone number or email address. It's a popular choice for quick and easy transactions between friends and family. The common mistake. We've all been there. You're in a hurry, distracted, or maybe just had a bad day. A simple mistake can lead to sending money to the wrong recipient. It's a frustrating situation, but don't worry, there might be a solution. Can you get your money back? The short answer is, it depends. While Zelle doesn't have a built-in system for recovering funds sent to the wrong person, there are a few avenues you can explore. 1. Contact the recipient. The first and most direct approach is to reach out to the person who received your money. Explain the mistake and politely request that they return the funds. Many people are understanding and willing to help. 2. Contact your bank. If the recipient refuses to return the money or is unresponsive, your next step is to contact your bank. They may be able to assist you in disputing the transaction, especially if you can provide evidence of the error. 3. File a police report. In extreme cases where the recipient is unwilling to cooperate and you have exhausted other options, you may consider filing a police report. While this is a more drastic measure, it can be helpful in documenting the fraud. Factors affecting recovery. Several factors can influence your chances of recovering funds sent to the wrong person. Recipient's cooperation. The most important factor is the recipient's willingness to return the money. Time elapsed. The sooner you report the error, the better your chances of recovery. Amount of money. Larger amounts may be more difficult to recover. Evidence of error. Having proof of the mistake, such as screenshots or messages, can strengthen your case. Tips to prevent future mistakes. To avoid similar situations in the future, consider these tips. Double-check recipients. Always verify the recipient's information before sending money. Use Zelle's contact list. Save frequently used recipients to your Zelle contact list to reduce the risk of errors. Take your time. Don't rush through transactions. Give yourself time to double-check everything. Consider alternative payment methods. If you're concerned about making mistakes, explore other payment options like Venmo or PayPal, which may have more robust fraud protection. While sending money to the wrong person using Zelle can be a frustrating experience, it's not always a lost cause. By taking immediate action and exploring the available options, you may be able to recover your funds. Remember, prevention is key. By following the tips we've discussed, you can significantly reduce the chances of making a mistake in the first place. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.